adalah Asean Film and TV Summit 2025. First time taking place kerana pada tahun ini Malaysia juga merupakan pengerusi ASEAN bagi tahun 2025. Jadi in conjunction with MIFEST, kami anjurkan program ini iaitu Asean Film and TV Summit 2025. Bermula pada hari ini sehinggalah 25 hari bulan Julai. Dan sepanjanglah 3 hari ini kami akan mengadakan pelbagai dialog, round table discussion, tayangan movie juga dan beberapa outcome yang kita harap boleh capai termasuklah a roadmap for deeper ASEAN co-production partnership. I think one of the topic that will be discussed during this 3 days program would be how can we have more co-production within ASEAN. ASEAN is a huge market. We have more than 600 million population. So if we ourselves can actually have more co-production and at the same time we have a larger market in ASEAN, I think this is something very exciting that will be something very, very exciting for ASEANs. We got 10+1 countries, and this is definitely one issue that will be discussed during this roundtable. And of course, we need to share our framework. We need to share our ideas or innovation and also infrastructure, and hopefully that can actually strengthen the cooperation within the ASEAN member countries.
In this event, in the Asian Film and TV Summit 2025, I'm very glad to be here, and it's an opportunity for the producer Cambodia to collaborate with the producer in ASEAN country such as Malaysia or Indonesia, something like that, because in the 2024 we have the collaboration with producer with Cambodia and Indonesia, so it's great. And a special one is we try to do a common market. That means all the producer, all the member state of the ASEAN come together to have the one big market.
Talent incubation is key because now we are entering the next, let's say, the next generation of in this industry, and let's say the Gen Z, they would want to have startups. They are not wanting to enter conventional business. So the film industry might be a solution for them. Now, talent incubation can be done through ASEAN, because then sometimes, it's like when you're hearing your older brother, you are less inspired sometimes than you are hearing your neighbor, So between ASEAN, that can be one thing, having like a surrogate mentor in another country. Also, united seniors will form a very strong inspirational energy for younger talents. And then the learning curve will be simpler, because instead of going to 5 or 11 or 14 people, they can go into one pool.